Oh. Yeah. Yeah. Oh. Oh, jeez. Yeah. Hmm. Oh. Yeah. Yeah. Oops. Where'd you go? Anyway. There we go. So. Oh. Oh, that's funny. Blue Boy just got behind the X pen. He's behind the X pen on the extra roll. He just walked over there. He's Mr. Adventurous. He's outside. No, next to it where the roll is. Oh, he's out. I had him out running around. That's Mr. He jumped on all the toys that were in the corner here and then went down the aisle. Okay. No, he's doing it again. He's doing it again. Starts going, where are you going? He doesn't know. He gets to the end. And he figured out he could get in the kitchen. What a smart little puppy. Where'd he go? Where'd he go, Star? There he is. Oh, yeah. Well, Nina likes killing moles, right? Yeah.